Abduct the Aliens challenge. Whoever abducts the most aliens gets to move into the biggest room in the house.
Oh, what? I want that.
I'm abducting all of them. I want the best bedroom.
Good luck abducting my aliens, guys.
She's shooting at us.
Oh, there's Daniel. He's an easy target. He's still moving. All right, Spy Ninjas, if I hit you with my Nerf blaster, you're out of here. And the room may be mine.
Chad, what are you doing here?
I'm hiding here. I'm gonna win that bedroom. I don't even have a good bedroom. I need a big bedroom.
Right now, I only have half of that room. I want to make the whole thing blue.
I need to win Melvin's room. We need to make Melvin jealous so he can come out of the hatch. I miss my kuya, my big bro.
Oh! Oh! I heard a big bam!
You would have been out.
It was right between my eyes when it hit this. Thank you, chair, for saving my life.
There are the aliens. It seems like V is focused on the boys, so I am just gonna go around and do a sneak attack.
You know, I'm getting out of here, boy.
Oh, shoot.
Ah, she's aiming this way. Daniel,
Oh, whoops, sorry.
away from me.
Oh, sorry, Regina. Oh, she's coming. But she's leaving the army of aliens unguarded. Ah!
I got myself an alien! I got myself an alien!
I'm out of bullets! I'm out!
Okay, she's out of ammo.
Oh no! I only have 1, 2, 3, 4! I'm missing an alien!
Hey, give me that.
No! My alien. Oh, thanks. He needed a free shoe. I'm gonna bring him back to Planet CWC, where he belongs. Planet CWC is right in this corner here. I'm gonna get you some friends, okay? Oh, here's my shadow. Shadow boxing.
You know what? I'm just gonna make a run for it and steal the aliens. Let's go!
To the aliens. Oh boy. She's in trouble. V's right there.
I'm taking the aliens!
She's reloading.
This is my chance. She doesn't even see me. I'm right behind her. I got an alien. I got it.
Daniel!
Daniel, you can do it! You're gonna hurt my alien! That's not bad! Don't make it!
Where'd V go?
There he is!
Hey! That's mine!
He's got a friend now in Planet CWC.
Hey!
Oh, I love it here. It's the greatest planet ever. You know, Daniel, you worked really hard for this alien.
Darn tootin', boy.
What did 5 fingers say to the face?
Get out of here!
V's gone. Her aliens are unguarded. I'm gonna get an alien. She's still loading. I got one. You'll be safe here, my alien boy. There's 2 more aliens by V. Chad has 2 aliens over there. I can still win this.
I'm doing so good. I've got 2 aliens already. I think I just need 1 more, and then I automatically win because nobody could get more than 3 aliens, right? That bedroom is gonna be mine. I'm coming for this alien V.
Oh no, 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 no!
I've got Spider-Man Spidey senses. I can dodge these just like a Spider-Man.
You hear that, Melvin? You hear how much fun we're having?
Yeah, and Daniel's making a fool of himself. He looks so stupid. Sorry.
Genera.
That's what Melvin likes.
Well, you know what? I've captured 0 aliens so far. You captured 1?
Yeah?
Chad has 2. V has 2.
I gotta make up some ground.
For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
And the base is unguarded right now. I'm going in.
I see my next target, Regina. She's hiding right here. No, Regina.
I got an alien!
No! She got an alien! No! Chad! Oh no! She got two, Chad!
Yes! She didn't get me! Now I have two aliens!
You gotta reload! Reload!
He's out of bullets. This is my chance to escape. His head, it got popped. I can't win with a dead alien. He's got to be alive. Don't worry, Mr. Alien. I'll save you.
Daniel, help! What happened? We gotta save this alien here.
Reload! Reload!
Don't worry, Mr. Alien. I got stun chucks. Clear.
Whoa.
Just give him to me. I have 0 points.
That's mine, Daniel. That's my alien. No.
Get away.
Oh man, I have 0 aliens!
And I have got 2 aliens.
I got 2 aliens, baby!
I got a dead alien here.
Well, now it's a tie. I know how to settle a tie. A dot job.
Oh.
First person to get hit loses that bedroom.
3, 2, 1,
I got hit.
That's what you get for using me as a shield!
Well, I didn't know you would jump out of the way so fast.
Well, you're too large. I can't block you anyway. Well, I won. You know what that means. This is my room now. Look, it's yellow.
Whoa.
Wow!
How'd you do that? Come in, Melvin. Regina's taking your room. Quick, get up here, quick.
Wow, this is so nice. All the gaming equipment and the green screen and the top bunk. And I get to make fun of Daniel all day because we're roomies now.
Yeah, don't you want to come out? Look how much fun you're missing on, alien boy.
Let me check the security camera here. Look at him. He looks so bored. Why don't you come up, Melvin?
He doesn't even care.
Come on, man.
You love aliens. You would have loved that challenge.
You know what? I know exactly what to do to get him up here. Welcome to the roast of Melvin PZ9. Here are our guests today, Chadwell Clay.
Yeah. Oh, I'm ready for the roast.
Welcome, Regina Genera.
Regina Genera.
Stop it.
Next contestant is Daniel Gizmo.
Hey.
Hey, those are my shorts.
Last but not least, the final contestant, Melvin PZ9.
He's not looking too good.
Melvin, it's good to have you here at the roast. You love roasting people.
He looks happy.
You hearing this? We just roast each other. Melvin will surely come up.
He loves this stuff.
The first contestant is going to be your host here, Qwaint, to roast Miss Regina Genera. Regina, you so clumsy. You trip over a wireless network.
You hear that one? What a roast, Melvin. What a roast.
Yeah, you should like that one. You're a tech dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, Wi-Fi doesn't have cable.
Yeah, it's wireless. So you trip on nothing.
You like that, Melvin?
Yeah, I could do better. Wow. Melvin, the best part.
Sorry, Melvin.
What happened to your voice, man?
He's gonna want to come and beat you up.
Chad, you're my hubby and all, but you know, sometimes I do think you're kind of ugly. Chad, you're so ugly that when you throw a boomerang, it refuses to come back. Daniel, you're so dumb. You're the type of guy that will sit on a TV to watch a couch.
Wow. V's so old that she's talking about TVs that no one has had for 20 years. The ones you can sit on. Look at that TV. You can't sit on that type of TV.
Melvin, these roasts are pretty bad, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Kind of screw that one up.
How about you come up and tell a good roast?
Oh.
It's a song.
Regina, she's got those big old eyes. They're so big, they're looking really toadish. Oh wait, excuse me. Actually, you look like a goldfish.
Oh, because they're yellow?
No, I have a big eyeball.
Hey, Chad, that's not cool, man.
I like them.
Oh, Daniel. Your hair is such such a mess. You should light it on fire. Rude. And actually, your voice is so squeaky. It reminds me of Peasy Squire. Hey! Did you want to say something? It's V.
Oh!
Oh, V, you are so short. I'm always looking down. If you stepped in a puddle, you know what would happen? You'd surely drown.
Melvin, are you laughing down there?
Oh, Melvin, you are a jerk sometimes. But you always make me smirk. And when you smile, your teeth are as yellow as Regina's shirt.
Oh, Melvin! My yellow shirt!
Don't you want to come up and kick this boy's booty?
Yeah, aren't you mad at me now? Come up and roast me back.
Yeah.
And now it's Regina's turn.
Oh.
Chad, you be looking like the sloth from Ice Age.
What the heck?
Similarities.
The neck.
Whoa! Yeah, it does!
Oh, he's so handsome, though. Thanks, Regina, for the compliment.
You're welcome. V Qwaint.
Oh no.
I like your new haircut.
Oh, boy.
You be looking like Edna Mode.
Oh, rude!
Brother, your hair is so lovely and nice and luscious. But you be looking like this guy.
That guy.
Jacob from Twilight. Hello, where have you been, Luca?
Are you done?
That was my roast.
Wait, what about your boyfriend Daniel?
You gotta roast him.
Yeah.
Where's his picture?
Oh.
Well, you gonna make fun of me? Yeah, don't make fun of me, Regina. Make fun of him. Come on.
You have to.
Yeah. Daniel, you be looking like Harry Styles and Tom Holland.
What?
And,
Oh, yeah.
At all.
Jungkook from BTS.
What?
What? Yeah.
Looks like a BTS member.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I do look like them a little bit.
Really?
Thanks,
You
Regina.
do. You're welcome.
If he looks like a BTS member, then BTS stands for Butts That Squeak. Because you be farting a lot.
Hey, this is Regina's roast. No, you had your turn, boy.
Come on, Jinera. You gotta roast this guy for real.
I think that's good.
Well, otherwise Melvin won't come out.
Okay, fine. Daniel Gizmo, you be looking like this guy from the Despicable Me.
What? No. I do not look like him.
Bald.
Forget you, Regina. I thought you thought I was beautiful.
You are.
Gru?
Daniel, you be looking like this guy.
Who's that?
Hey, there you go.
He's from Luca. He's a bully.
We don't talk about Bruno.
Shoot!
Luca, boy.
We don't talk about Luca.
All right, everybody, ready for me?
Great.
You got this.
Melvin's gonna be like, there's a new roaster king in town? I better come up. V Qwaint? I'm coming for you, girl.
Okay.
You think you're the ruler of the spy ninjas, right? More like ruler of the spy ninjas.
Because I'm good at geometry, or?
No, he's short. He's like 12 inches tall.
I get it now. If it weren't see-through, they can't even see it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can see through this just like I can see through when I look through your ear. I can see right through to the other side.
Stop! It's my... Chad, you're overshadowing me.
Oh,
That was a good one, Chad.
Chad,
Called you dumb.
where'd you get your jacket? Oh, you're not.
oh
He's
here,
not wearing a
let me help you out, Daniel.
Where'd you get your jacket? From the toilet store? You not get that one either?
The
Toilet store. That's like probably if there was a toilet store.
I don't think there are
gross.
toilet stores.
Yeah, there is. You got your jacket from there.
I'm only laughing because of how bad it is.
Hey, Melvin. This boy's so lazy that he would stick his nose out the window so the wind would blow it.
Oh, I get it.
Is that something that you do, Daniel?
No, it's what Melvin does.
Maybe try roasting Regina.
Yeah. Here, I'll take the camera.
This is so embarrassing, guys. I mean, he's usually funnier than this.
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend.
He's funny. I swear, this one will be funny.
Regina, you're so clumsy. That's the only reason you fell in love with me.
Oh my gosh.
Wow,
wait.
overly
You're roasting
confident.
yourself.
Whoa. Huh?
Right?
You're clumsy. You always falling. That's the only reason.
The only reason I fell for you.
Clumsy is not a good thing, so falling for you is a mistake.
Oh, okay, never mind.
damn,
I didn't.
damn.
He just roasted himself.
All right, I'm not good. All right.
It's okay. All right, let's just go to the hatch. Maybe Melvin will have some better roast for us.
Melvin, then didn't you hear how bad I was at roasting? Don't you want to come out and teach me?
Or don't you want to join along and roast all of us?
Yeah, I mean, look at Daniel. He doesn't have shoes on. He has pants that are too big. His hair is just
Pasty legs.
Roast is over, me. Let me pull up the feed of what Melvin's doing down there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
He's wearing different clothes now.
Yeah.
He's kind of scary.
Wow.
He's laughing at our jokes, maybe.
Yeah, cool.
Melvin, you okay down there?
Whoa.
What's happening? Does he have to go to the bathroom?
Calm down. I'm just a YouTuber. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't have any split personalities. Oh, yes.
Oh.
What? Is he roasting us right now?
Is this a joke?
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
Guys, I don't know if you know, but Melvin went down the hatch because he's afraid of turning into PZ9.
But it looks like he's turning into PZ9 right now.
Guys, he looks crazy. I'm worried for him. You know, if you're down there for too long without human interaction and sunlight, you can start getting crazy.
You're right. We just gotta get him out of there.
We gotta go down there.
Save our
He looks
friends.
good. He looks
Yeah.
horrible.
How are we gonna get down there though? The ladder is down. How are we gonna climb down and help him?
He's turning insane! He's turning into PZ9!